You guys gotta try these homemade Oreo cookies. This might be better than an Oreo. 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2/3 cup of cocoa powder, and then just a little bit of salt because I'm using salted butter. Then you're gonna give this a whisk until combined and set aside. Now in a separate bowl, we're gonna add 1 cup of butter and 1 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg. Now we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the butter a little bit at a time. So now we have a chocolate dough, just a little bit of flour, and you're gonna divide your dough into 2. Now you're gonna roll this dough out till it's about 1/4 inch thick. Now using a shot glass, you're gonna go ahead and cut out little discs, then place on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now we're going into the oven on 350 for about 10 minutes. Now for the filling, we're gonna start with 1/2 cup of butter and 1/4 cup of vegetable shortening. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of powdered sugar a little bit at a time. Now once incorporated, we're gonna add a splash of vanilla and just a little sprinkle of salt. Then you're gonna add about a teaspoon of the icing to each Oreo. Then lastly, add it to the other half of the cookie. And if you need the written recipe, it's on my website.